Hello and welcome to this video about cryptocurrency education. Today I talk about a currency or a network which I think is underestimated. I believe this project offers great chances and potential for investors, but also for the whole crypto space. And I believe that it might be a great chance or potential for you to potentially get some of these coins or to get into this project at a low price, especially at the moment, especially because I think it is quite underestimated. And I believe that this project can be seen quite standing next to Cardano and Polkadot. So basically it is a crypto 3.0 project, and I think it is a very interesting one. So I would like to talk you through it, and if you're interested in this, stay with me. So today I want to talk about Algorand. Algorand is a crypto project which was founded by Dr. Silvio Micali, who is an MIT professor, and also many other people believe in this project. So for example, Arrington Capital, they are a major crypto investment fund, and they have recently invested $100 million in the Algorand ecosystem. The question now is, what exactly is Algorand? Why are so many people believing in it? And what is so special about Algorand? Now, later I want to show you the price as well and give you my own opinion. But first of all, I'll just talk a little bit about the project, talk about the advantages and what's currently going on this with this blockchain project. So generally, in my opinion, or generally, despite the most recent correction in the crypto space, algo, which is the currency of this within the Algorand ecosystem, algo has nearly doubled this year. And I believe that algo is a very special and also interesting project because Algorand has a very special structure, and they try to solve this problem, which is so apparent in the crypto space, which means that, transactions on the blockchain, they don't only have to be decentralized and fast, but you also want them to be safe. And at the moment, generally, blockchains can only ensure two of these essential factors, which is, you can have it either decentralized and fast, but then not very safe, or you can have it fast and safe, but not very decentralized. So it's this trilemma problem, which they seem to have solved. And this is amazing. So all of these three factors need to be ensured, and Algorand claim they have ensured that. So this means that Algorand is very safe, very fast, and very decentralized as well. And this is ensured by using a two-layer technology. So on the first layer, very simple smart contracts are used. So, if basically what it means, very simple structures can be simple smart contracts can be applied on the very first layer. Also on this first layer, swaps are possible, which means that different cryptocurrencies can be swapped for each other very simply on the first layer. But on the second layer, then, more complex smart contracts can be used, and also to run more complex applications. And also, which is very special about Algorand, it is using a very special consensus verification mechanism, which is based on proof of stake. However, it is different from, for example, Cardano. And the special thing is that, which makes it essentially very safe. So in this case, in the verification process on the blockchain, Algorand users are staking their coins, very similar to Cardano. And this consensus mechanism then chooses, pretty much like a lottery, out of all these staking people, they choose people, computers, or users who will then add the next block. But the very special thing about this is that this pool of people always shifts, and it's always swapped. And therefore, it's never clear who's allowed to add the next block to the blockchain, which makes it much safer. Because if I don't know who I can attack, then this makes it much safer. Because even the participants, they only find out after they have added the block that they participated in this verification process. And this is the very special factor of Algorand. Basically, that it applies this cryptographic sorting process in which people or individuals or groups are chosen by chance, and they only know afterwards that they have actually participated in the verification process. Now, this leads to the situation that Algorand can run more than 1,000 transactions per second, and each transaction costs less than 1 cent typically, and it's also very safe. So block producers will be chosen by chance, and this setup always shifts. Nobody can predict who is allowed to add the next block to the blockchain. And also, again, something very special, the block rewards will be distributed amongst all the algo owners, which is different to Cardano, for example, where it's basically the validators receiving the rewards only, and they will then distribute it to the delegators. But it seems to be different on the algorand blockchain. Also, as I said, transaction costs are very low. They only cost a few cents, and it also counts as one of the most environmental friendly blockchains. This could become an even more important factor going forward. I've read that it actually has been said it is more than 2 million times more economically friendly than some other blockchains. Now, going forward, that might be a huge thing. So, despite the current setback in price, I believe that this project has massive potential. And not only I believe this, but it's also Arrington Capital. I already said they are a major crypto venture fund because these guys have invested $100 million very recently. And the reasons for this, why they've done this, is that Algorand is growing, the ecosystem is developing, and they've also found some great projects to work with. For example, Exodus, which is this wallet company or company that will offer these wallets. And these guys could collect 75 million very recently from investors. What their plan is to offer a security token via the algorand blockchain, for example. Also, there's another company that wants to revolutionize the health system on the Bermuda Islands with the help of Algorand. Now, this could mean that payments of up to 800 million euros per year will run via the Algorand blockchain, which is a great success for this project. Also, and this is possibly the most significant aspect, the biggest German software developer, SAP, they have created an open interface for Algorand, which means that SAP customers, which is basically major companies, major stock companies, the biggest companies in the world basically using SAP as MRP system in their business. Well, they can easily use the Algorand blockchain, which is all about interoperability. And various investor groups in total have basically invested 500 million very recently into Algorand, which just shows the strength of the project. And many people seem to believe in a great future of this project. Now, for me personally, Algorand is a very solid blockchain project, a very solid blockchain 3.0 project, which is very, very innovative. I believe that Algorand can very well stand up to Polkadot and Cardano, but also, and this might provide a great potential for everybody who's thinking about investing, I believe that Algorand is underestimated. And that might offer a great chance for everybody who's trying to get in Algorand or into crypto at a low price by finding a high potential project. And I believe Algorand is one of these. And however, bear in mind, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Everybody needs to do their own research. And you should speak to a financial advisor before you make any investment decisions. So this is purely my own opinion. But I didn't really know a lot about this project until recently, until I found out that there is so much going on. I did more research, and I thought I'd just bring this video to you just to make you aware of this amazing project. So hopefully you like this video. If you want more videos like this, talking about maybe a little bit unknown blockchain projects that not many people talk about, then yeah, let me know and subscribe to this YouTube channel, which is all about spreading the word about blockchains and crypto and Cardano and Crypto 3.0 project. And also leave a like, please. And then hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye.